warm good morning to all. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 Interdependence in Living Beings, Plant and Animals. The topic is interdependence. Then why environment? The reason behind that, the surroundings of an animal or a plant form its environment. Environment is classified into two parts: abiotic components and biotic components. What do you mean by abiotic components? All non-living things on the earth like water, air, sunlight, soil, etc. Biotic components, all living beings on the earth like plants, animals, etc. Nextly, producers and consumers. Green plants are called producers as they make their own food with the help of simple abiotic substances from the environment. Those organisms which depend on plants or other living organisms for food are called consumers. Consumers cannot prepare their own food. All animals are consumers. Based on their feeding habits, animals can be divided as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers, and decomposers. Herbivorous. Those animals which feed only on plants are called herbivorous. For example, rabbit, deer, horse, etc. Carnivorous. Those animals which feed on other animals are called carnivorous. Example, lion, tiger, fox, etc. Omnivorous. Those animals which feed on both plants and other animals are called omnivorous. For example, human beings, dog, hen, bear, etc. Then scavengers. Those animals which feed on remains of dead plants and animals are called scavengers. Example, vulture, hyena, crow, etc. Decomposers. They play an important role in returning the nutrients from the dead remains of plants and animals back to the soil. Our next topic is food chain. What do you mean by food chain? All feeding relationships begins with plants. A food chain shows who eats whom. For example, grass, deer, and tiger. Grass is a producer, deer is a herbivore, and tiger is a carnivore. So, the grass is eaten by deer. Then, this deer is eaten by tiger. Interdependence of plants and animals. All animals depend on plants for food. Plants release oxygen in the atmosphere which animals need for breathing. Animals release carbon dioxide during breathing which plants need for photosynthesis. Animals like honeybees help in pollination. Animals are also agents of dispersal of plant seeds. Thus we can say that both plants and animals are interdependent. Balance in nature. The nature is equally balanced by all living organisms. If one organism comes to extinct, it affects the entire nature. The following are the ways that create negative impact on the balance in nature: floods, droughts, forest fires, deforestation, hunting, pollution, etc.